Did you know the Amazon rainforest creates its own rain? This stunning process is vital to its ecosystem. Let's dive in. The rainforest generates moisture through a cycle called transpiration. Trees release water vapor from their leaves. This vapor rises and cools in the air. Next, the cool air condenses into tiny water droplets. These droplets form clouds, which can grow heavy. Eventually, they release rain over the forest. This cycle helps sustain plant life. It maintains humidity, allowing trees to thrive. The lush foliage then continues to produce more vapor. Picture the Amazon as a living sponge. It soaks up sunlight, moisture, and produces life. Without it, we might face droughts elsewhere. In summary, the Amazon makes rain through transpiration. This process nourishes itself and supports diverse wildlife. Want to learn more about ecosystems? Hit that subscribe button now.